In this video, you'll learn how to create a variation listing with a drop-down. By the end of this guide, you will be able to set up a listing that allows buyers to choose from different options seamlessly. Begin by starting the process of creating a new listing. Make sure to select a category that supports variations. On the listing setup page, locate and select the option labeled Create Variations. This action will unlock the ability to add different attributes such as size, color, or style for your products. Utilizing variations streamlines your listings, allowing buyers to select options from a drop-down menu instead of requiring multiple separate listings. Next, you will need to add all the variation options for your listing. Carefully enter each option, for example, small, medium, and large sizes. For effective inventory management, assign specific prices, quantities, and SKUs for each variation. If possible, upload images that correspond to each variation. It is crucial to double check all combinations to avoid any mismatched stock. By setting this up accurately, you prevent overselling, errors, and enhance the user experience with clear drop-down options. After entering all the details, proceed to review your listing. Preview it to ensure that the drop-down menus function correctly. Check that the pricing updates automatically when buyers make different selections. Additionally, confirm that stock levels are accurate for each variation to avoid any discrepancies. This step is essential for maintaining customer satisfaction and proper inventory management. Once you are satisfied with the formatting and functionality of your listing, save your progress. After saving, publish the listing to make it live. It is important to monitor the performance of your listing after it goes live. Adjust quantities as items sell to ensure that your stock levels remain accurate and to maximize sales efficiency. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.